Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Binance BNB coin. This is one of the best coins in the world right now, and we are going to see the plans of Binance CEO to world domination across multiple companies in all the sectors. We are going to do some technical analysis, and we are going to see some price predictions of BNB from 2022 to 2026. And we are going to cover many other news of BNB and Binance. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications. And without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, Binance coin BNB, sometimes people doesn't pay attention too much. You probably don't have BNB on your portfolio, and that is super common, even if it's at position 4 of the top rank of cryptocurrencies in the world. From my perspective, actually it's at position 3 because Tether really don't count as one of major crypto assets. So besides Bitcoin and Ethereum, the next big coin is BNB. And probably you don't have it in your portfolio. Not many people have it, and you should pay attention to that, and you should have some portion of your portfolio on BNB. Right now it's at lower price, $368, and you can see that we are at 46% down from the all-time high. I always try to buy coins that are below a 50%, so that the price has been down more than a 50%, but the 46 is actually really low in terms of the last all-time high. If we go to the chart of BNB against USD, the dollar, you will see this line of support that I have here, this rectangle. This has been acting as support and resistance during February 2021. So we basically have 1 year in the charts here. And right now we are in a descending triangle like many other cryptos are right now, from the May of November uptrends. On Monday in the TA of XRP, if you didn't saw that video, check it here. I mentioned exactly how a descending triangle works, but right now we need to wait. If we are going to break this line of resistance, this downtrend line, yellow line trend down to the upside, that will mean that we are going to hit the $400 target. Then we are going to see some bullishness. But right now it's not exactly the time to buy. You should be waiting. If we break it to the upside, that will be a better and less risky position to buy BNB. Because if we lose the support of this rectangle, then the next big important support is this, and this is at $255. So we could lose like $100 on the price of BNB. And the next one, it will be around 211. So these two are the very big important levels to watch. But I would recommend you to consider have some BNB on your portfolio. You can actually have discounts on Binance Exchange if you own BNB. So your trades, it will be costing less on the transaction. But it's not because of that. It's because of the value to the long term for this coin. You can see that in 2021 we did this big hit. But before that, in the Corona dump, we were actually at $6.5. So it grew 1,000% during the last year. So it will be one of the best investments. And I think that could be repeating that pattern again in the long term, of course. Checking some price predictions here at Cryptonomics. I am not going to say that I am agree of this price prediction, but I think it's interesting to have the opinion of another analyst. So by the end of the first quarter of 2022, they are targeting BNB at 390. However, it will be within the range of the 340 and 410 by the end of the second quarter of 2022. By the end of the third and fourth quarters of the year, BNB prices will be between $395 and $500 and 410 and 600 respectively. So by the end of 2022, according to what they are saying, they are expecting $600. So it will be around this level here, around this target. This is the target to the end of 2022, according to them. In 2023, they are expecting a price between $600 and $900. 2024, from $1,600 and $1,900. And for 2025, they are expecting a target of $3,000 to $5,000, which is super crazy. So according to them, if you invest right now at 362, they are mentioning a 10x in 3 years. So that is a very good investment opportunity on the third largest cryptocurrency in the world right now. So it's something to consider. And besides, the Binance have the chain, Binance Smart Chain, which is in MetaMask, and all the coins that are pumping when they are listing on Binance, like ADA. Binance has their own plans that has been unveiled recently for world domination by buying up companies in every sector. In the wake of increasing regulatory scrutiny, Binance has sought to diversify its revenue streams and increase crypto adoption further by acquiring traditional companies in every economic sector. We want to identify and invest in 1 or 2 targets in every economic sector and try to bring them into crypto, said Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, affectionately known to hit 5.3 million Twitter followers as CC. The announcement comes not longer after Binance's monumental $200 million investment in publisher Forbes in early February, solidifying Binance as one of the 2 largest owners of the media company. Binance grew to an estimated valuation of approximately $300 billion and established Changpeng Zhao as the 11th wealthiest man in the world. Also, Binance has been acquired crypto data website CoinMarketCap in April 2020. That is why I usually use CoinGecko, because I trust it most as a decentralized source of data. CoinMarketCap is already managed by Binance, which is a centralized corporation, and Binance also purchasing a majority stake in the card payment services giant Swipe in late December 2021. And also had been inside the Financial Conduct Authority. We are aware of the recent statements made by Equinox Limited and the Binance Group confirming that an entity called Bitfinity will advance a $36 million convertible loan to Equinox. So Binance has been inside many companies and is buying many companies, like the article say, to expand the horizons and bring outside crypto companies into the crypto world. And finally, Binance is also reportedly in talks to obtain a license to operate in Dubai, according to Bloomberg. This comes as the United Arab Emirates continues its push to become an oasis for digital assets in the Middle East. So once they have get that, they probably will start operations in Dubai and going more widestream in the Middle East. So yeah, a lot of things about Binance starting and continue buying companies in different sectors. So betting in BNB is not only betting the specific coin, but it's betting in the company behind that, which is Binance, with all the ramifications that this include. So guys, I think this BNB is something that you need to consider to have in your portfolio. There are many advantages for this. And again, it's the large 3 cryptocurrency in the world right now. And finally, another little TA on BNB against Bitcoin. And this is important because BNB doesn't go too low in the market when Bitcoin's dump. And you can see actually that this rectangle was a really nice entry point to buy against Bitcoin. Each time that we enter here, we have some rallies. You can see that one, this support also, and this one was the last time. So pay attention if we break this descending triangle that we have right now, because if we break that, we are going to go probably to the best opportunity of buying BNB against Bitcoin, because from here, from this rectangle, we always go back quickly to all-time highs again. So pay attention to the chart of BNB against Bitcoin. Well guys, that is all for this video. Remember, before believe, like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications. And put your comments below. What do you think about BNB? Do you have some on your portfolio? And what are your expectations of Binance in the future? And follow me in Twitter at CryptoCState. And I will see you tomorrow with a new video. Bye.